Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have a winter spaghetti squash straight from the garden. We'll make another garden recipe. So we'll go ahead and stuff it with some chicken. These is chicken thighs right here. Chop them up real good into little pieces. Let them soak. Clean them. Rinse them. We also have some shrimps. Deveined the shrimps. Cleaned everything out of them. Rinse them. Let them soak, all that good stuff. Rinse them real good. Pat them dry. So this is how we looking right here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this real good with some vinegar and water. Then we're gonna pat it dry. Okay, so that's how we're looking right there. I just took my fork, poke some holes in it all around because we want to get a better cut. So we want to soften it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. Okay, so here we go right here. You want to take your sharper's knife and just go through, get in there. It don't have to be too perfect. Alright, so that's how we're looking. This little piece broke off. And now you want to take your little ice cream scoop or your little spoon and just clean this out. All the inside. You want to get that out of there. Boom. Let's get the other one clean. Okay, so now you want to add your salt and black pepper to your squash. Maybe black pepper. Take your extra virgin olive oil and boom. Okay, top full is cool. Yep, top full is good. I just want to rub it around. Woo, that black pepper is something different. Just want to rub it all around. Okay, so I have my oven preheated to 350. You want to keep it in there for 45 to 50 minutes. But you want to face it down, just like that. Face it down just like so. Okay, so there we go right there. It's going in the oven, just like so, on 350. Okay, so now we go ahead and season our chicken and shrimp. We're gonna use some of these little dry onions. We're gonna use some ground paprika. Some of this surf and turf. There we go right there. We're gonna add some of this extra virgin olive oil to give it a nice coat. We want all that to stick. All that seasoning stick. You don't need much. Now we're gonna throw some gloves on there. Mix everything together. We're gonna let it marinate 30 minutes in the refrigerator with the seasoning on there. Okay, so we have our extra virgin olive oil. That's all we need. That's what we're using right there. And we'll get that chicken nice and sauteed. Now we're gonna add some more of these dry onions. Now we'll add our shrimp. Now remember, don't take long for your shrimp to cook. So We just want to get our chicken a nice head start. I'm gonna mix everything together like so. Alright, so we have tomato, basil, and garlic. Squash is ready. Now we're gonna put a top on there. And we're gonna let this cook for 10 minutes. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. And the chicken was just about done. We'll add a little water. Just a little water. Boom. There we go right there. Okay. So we'll go ahead and let this come together. Now remember, taste as you go. Taste your sauce as you go. Okay, so here we go right here. I have one already made. Now you just want to take your fork and just scrape all that. Get it from the side, the bottom. That's all that goodness right there. Nice and healthy. It's a all the way around healthy meal. You know, seafood is good for you. Just try not to use so much seasoning. Y'all bored, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this off the camera, but that's how we looking. Just get the sides and the bottom. That's it. Okay. Now you just want to take your chicken and your shrimp and add it. Remember that cheese, that Kobe Jack cheese, whatever cheese you rock with, just add it. Boom, just like so. Now you want to take some of your sauce and just boom, pour it on there. You know what I mean? Just like so. Now we have our sauce on there. I want to put the cheese on top of the sauce. You know? Throw it in the oven for a couple minutes. Let that cheese melt. And we'll get this good food on a nice plate. We'll close this video. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our winter spaghetti squash. Loaded, stuffed. This is fire. Yes, you know I had to break something down. I had to. But this is fire. This came off fire. I did my thing. And it's a nice, healthy meal. Nice and healthy. Like I say, chicken is good for you. Shrimp. And it's spaghetti squash. So we did our thing right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit ice.